Begin by unboxing your new Spectrum Wi-Fi 7 router, which became widely available starting in early 2025, bringing multi-gigabit speeds and WPA3 security. Plug the router into a power outlet using the provided adapter. The router will power on and the LED lights, typically blue, will indicate it's ready. If you have a separate Spectrum modem, connect the router's WAN port to your modem's Ethernet port using a Cat6 or higher cable to ensure optimal performance. For integrated modem setups, this step is not needed. Make sure you have an active Spectrum Internet account ready for the next step. Once physically connected, download the Spectrum app on your smartphone and sign in with your Spectrum account credentials. Download the Spectrum app on your smartphone and sign in with your account credentials. Open the app and select Activate Equipment or Set up Wi-Fi. Then scan the QR code on your router or manually enter the serial number to begin the activation process. After activation, customize your Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password via the app, ensuring you enable the 6 GHz band for your Wi-Fi 7 compatible devices for the highest speeds. Finally, connect your devices to the new network and use the app's speed test tool to verify your connection. For best performance, place the router centrally and away from interference, and remember to update its firmware via the app for security patches.